Hello guys. Today we're gonna play some Roblox. Yes, I was practicing obbies. And but the most thing catch my eye. I had to play it for a second so I can get on it. And this is the obby that this game. So pop. Oh gosh, that's copyright. That's copyright. That's copyright. I bet it. Boom. Okay. Boom. Oh, a Dorito. Burrito. Nacho burrito. I love that reference. Parkour master. Yeah, I know this glitch. Oh, cool. So cool little Easter egg. Easy. Oh, okay, the person made me go. Person. I didn't even touch it. Okay. That's it. Boom. What? Why is there bear traps? YouTube, you saw that. I didn't even touch it. Wait, is that red fluid? I mean, red blood. Is that blue? Okay. Yeah. Take a note. A big note. Oh, the drool. Disgusting. Dang. I hate this. Shout out to this person because they were waiting and I'm thinking like so long. They then left like half of the people that do when I do obbies. The key. Sorry guys. Oh, mommy long legs. Is it really? Okay, so I can just clip through things now. Don't think I don't know this. Don't think I don't know this. Ew. Ew. Okay, I need to turn my brightness up. Okay, graphics. Okay, graphics. Yeah, graphics. Graphics, you need to be on. Yeah, graphics, you need to be on. Oh my god, I can't do it. It's that dumb. I hate this. So, how do... That's obviously fake. No! No! Oh, cool. Shout out to this person. I'm just gonna say it. Dang it. Let's just say that. You get a shout out. Go. Cool, cool. Ugh. So. Easy. Boxes. I'm not gonna do nothing. I didn't even touch it. Right? That little person, just that is climbing this wall. Ah! We need to wait for her. Let's go. Jump. I wish it was like button. Hey, that's a fun fact. That's the one. Wait, there's an. Oh! Yeah. I'm going for this one. Come on. Just let me through. I died immediately. I may have a problem. Ew. Just for the thumbnail. Yep, I'm not doing it. Yep. For sure that she was away.